Imagine waking up one day in a tropical paradise. The next day you're in a bustling city, and knowing that you can work from anywhere in the world. This isn't a dream, it's actually possible. Today I'm going to show you 3 proven steps to achieve location freedom in 2024, so you can live life on your own terms. The first step is to master the skills that allow you to work remote, whether it's freelancing, running your own business, employed at a company that allows remote work options. You need to hone your craft, you need to master it, study it, do it every day, study analytics, study everything that you need. I started by learning content creation, video editing, consulting, all the skills that I can be using for the rest of my life. If you do a YouTube channel, there is about 50 things that you're learning, but you don't understand what you're learning. You're learning script writing, video editing, cinematography, lighting, you're learning shot lists, you're learning production design, you're learning so many things inside of being a content creator that you don't even realize that you're learning, but you're learning all these skills at the same time. So I think content creation is one of the best things to really learn and really hone on to. There are many websites and apps that you can go to hone your skills, to practice your skills, to get clients on some of your things that you have going on, like Fiverr and Upwork. Those are some of the places that you can go to for whatever you're doing. Whatever you're doing, somebody needs help. Whatever job you do, somebody needs help with it. If you have a job doing it, somebody needs help with it. So start trying to do some type of freelance work or starting your own business or something like that. Number 2 is minimalizing what you have around you. Really look in your house and see that you have everything that you need. Everything that you need, you have it. No matter what anybody says, what anybody tells you, you have everything. If you're going on a trip, you don't need 3 suitcases. Take one backpack. Take a backpack. Try this. Next time you go on a trip for a week, take a backpack. Take a backpack or take a duffel bag. One duffel bag. And this is what you do. You put everything. If it doesn't fit, you must quit. So if it doesn't fit, do not put it in your bag at all. Do not put it in your bag. Try to bring 3 outfits and live off 3 outfits. Most of us wear the same thing every day. Like me, I wear the same thing most of the time every day, and I have a closet full of clothes, and I realize I don't need most of that stuff. So, and when I go on trips, I might have an outfit for every day when I don't even use most of the outfits, because you realize some places are hot and you just want to wear shorts the whole time. You just want to wear the same thing because you might meet somebody and they never see you again. So why are you sitting here trying to dress up? When you get there, ain't nobody gonna really care. Ain't nobody gonna care. Ain't nobody even gonna realize that you have the same thing unless somebody commented on what you had on and it's specific of what you had on, and you wear it the next day and you see that same person. That's the only way people gonna know. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Be as minimalist as possible. Organized. Optimize your lifestyle. Try to carry as little as possible. Try to have as little as possible in order to survive. Stop spending money on clothes, shoes. You don't need them. You don't need them. You don't need them. If you really want to live a life like this, you don't need shoes and clothes and all that stuff. You need probably 5 outfits, maybe 2-3 pairs of shoes, some dress shoes, some hiking shoes, some running shoes, and maybe some sandals. That's it. That's 4 pairs of shoes. That's all you really need, bro. And shirts, need a couple pairs of shirts, need a couple sweats, a couple shorts, swim trunks, and stuff like that. Boom. And probably 1 big jacket. Nobody's gonna know that you only have one of those. So just think of things like that when you go on your next trip. Not only do you need less, but simplifying your life, but cutting down on material things and financial commitments will give you the flexibility to move when and wherever you want, bro. Like this, it's that simple. It's about creating a life that is mobile and that is on the road, where you can just get up and leave at any time. It's a lifestyle that is mobile, efficient, and low maintenance. Simple. Live a life like that and your life will probably be better. Build multiple streams of income, whether that's affiliate links, side hustles, YouTube earnings, brand deals, whatever it is. Try to figure out how to have one income that can be like, okay, this can pay for my trip, this can pay for my ticket and my trip and my room, this can pay for everything. And now all you have to do is worry about, okay, how can I make money to do everything else? You know what I'm saying? Like create multiple streams of income. You can start something like an online business, affiliate marketing, content creation, or even freelancing, bro. Like, it's a lot of jobs that you can do out here that can really help you out. I personally have not really made money from YouTube yet, but I have made money in different ways. YouTube revenue and brand deals I have not made yet, but I'm working on it. It's coming. But I have made money in freelancing, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and each one allows me to sustain my life and pay my bills to be able to live wherever I'm. With these 3 steps, mastering your work skills, mastering your work skills, optimizing your lifestyle, and building multiple streams of income, you'll be on the way to the complete location. It takes time and effort. It's going to be some hard times, it's going to be some bad times. I'm not going to tell you it's all sunshines and rainbows, because it's not. But the reward on the other side is definitely worth it. If you want to learn more, go check out the GoFundMe and the website, where I share a lot of free resources to help you start your own journey. Hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on travel and financial freedom advice. And together we'll explore the world together and conquer the universe. Thank you for watching.